Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Claude API error 500. This is not working right now.
Fix 1. Check Claude server status. Step 1. Open Anthropic status page. Step 2. Check if there is an outage or maintenance. Step 3. Wait and try again if servers are down. Fix 2. Retry the API request. Step 1. Stop the current request. Step 2. Wait 10 to 30 seconds. Step 3. Send the request again. Fix 3. Reduce request size. Step 1. Shorten the prompt or input text. Step 2. Remove unnecessary context. Step 3. Send the request again. Fix 4. Check API key. Step 1. Verify your API key is correct. Step 2. Make sure the key is active. Step 3. Regenerate the key if needed.